Hello, I visited the Grampian Transport Museum the other day up in Alford, and this little video covers off some of the motorcycles that were there. So we start off with a beautiful Honda VFR 750, one of the racing bikes that Honda had made at that time. It's in lovely condition, immaculate in actual fact. What a flying machine that is. A glorious colour scheme as well. I'll send you a picture of this.
Oh, will you? And then I don't need to bother.
Then you can
Send it on to Mandy.
send it on to Mandy, yeah. Gee whiz. It's probably doubled the weight with all that junk on it. It's a work of art though, isn't it? Beautiful. It's not only motorcycles that the Transport Museum has, it has all kinds of vehicles. And if you look closely, they even have a Dalek. So here we are, this is where the main body of the motorcycles are. There's an absolutely gorgeous Motor Guzzi. Once again, in immaculate condition. Still in actual fact, I love the colour. Next to it, some kind of Honda racing bike. And behind that is a Norton in a yellow that actually I think just suits that bike pretty well. And I think the next one is a Norton as well. There's a card there. Didn't pay too much attention to that one. The bike that did catch my attention was this one. Never heard of this particular make before. No doubt plenty of people have, but once again a beautiful bike. So a Laverde Jota, whatever that is, from 1978. Looking spanking in its yellow and chrome. The gorilla holding the camera didn't see the post there, and then he bashes it against there, so apologies for that. There we go. Nonetheless, a beautiful bike. So here's a 1965 Thruxton. Suits the black. Bikes. Absolutely. That's a gorgeous looking bike. There's a BSA. They're trying to make a comeback. And here's a BSA. It's amazing the colour schemes that were about at that time. It's difficult to get bikes in any kind of colour other than grey or black these days. Look at the beautiful exhaust on the Triumph. Look at that. Gorgeous. An X75 Hurricane from 1972. So we move on to the next set of bikes. I've passed over quite a few. This video would be about an hour long. In fact, it is an hour long. In the full video, but I won't publish that to YouTube. And here we have a lovely little Royal Enfield Classic 500. Now, if you listen closely, you'll hear myself and my wife having a chat about the size of this bike. Margaret, the Royal Enfield.
Original Royal Enfield.
Yeah. That'll be the 500. That'll be the predecessor, I think it is anyway. Yeah, it is. That's a predecessor to the one I've got.
Yours looks like a comfier bike. That one looks longer.
They're the same size.
Are they?
Yeah.
Do you not think the seat looks longer? It looks hard as
Well, my seat's two-piece. That's a one-piece seat. But look, very deceptive. You see the clocks? They're almost identical. They're not the same.
Yeah, but
Same shape of tank.
This bike and two others belongs to Guy Martin, and they're loaned to the museum for, I think they said it was 12 months or something. And finally, I think this is the sidecar that all your motorcyclists used. Pretty sure it is. It's about his time frame, I think. Only jesting,
Oh.
Mr. Tame.
Was this the kind of sidecar you used all your motorcycles?
Okay, that's all. There's plenty of other things on offer at the museum, well worth a visit. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I certainly enjoyed my day. Thanks, and bye bye.